Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For that you will have several ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you're able to crop here a part of the screenshot. What is pretty cool if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this, and you can draw something inside here, you can highlight something, and after, if you're ready with it, you can share this edited part, or with the arrow you will send it directly to your gallery. For me, the coolest way to have a screenshot is with the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And of course you can work also with the SPen to have a screenshot. Just tap here and go on screen right and then you will have your screenshot as well. And you can edit it and so on. After, just tap here on the arrow and it will be part of your gallery. And there's a second way to have a screenshot with the pen. Just tap here, go on AI select, and now you can mark a part you want to have and then just tap here at the arrow and it will be as well part of your gallery. And where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery. And yeah, here at the pictures, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because here the screenshots will have their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.